Hello and welcome to Suze in the Shed, and today I'm going to show you how to make this rainbow plate cloud hanger.
So for this tutorial today you're going to need a paper plate, a pencil, a brush for your glue and some glue, a pair of scissors, some toy stuffing or cotton wool. If you don't have this, that's fine, it just means you won't have fluffy clouds on your rainbow, some felt tip pens and a little piece of ribbon or yarn or string to hang it with. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the plate in half. Now if you're young, get an adult to do this, don't just go chopping up with mummy's best scissors, she might get really cross. When we've got our plate in half, we're going to section it off into rainbow colours, into rainbow segments. This is quite easy to do because you can see that we've got lines on the plate. So we can do one there, and then you'll have to freehand the rest. And then we're going to colour it in. So I'll start with the red. Protect your table as well. I'm a really messy crafter, no doubt I'll draw on the table at some point. And orange. And I'm sure you don't want to see me colour it all in, so we'll jump back to when I've coloured it. See you in a minute. Here is our rainbow all coloured in. If you're struggling with what order the rainbow colours go in, there's a little saying that makes it a little bit easier, and it's called Richard of York gave battle in vain. So Richard is red, of is orange, York is yellow, gave is green, battle is blue, in is indigo, and vain is violet. So it's an easy way of remembering in what order to put your colours. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a little hole to put the hanger in. So somewhere in the centre, pop a little hole in, thread your hanger through and tie a knot in it. So now you can hang it up. Now if you want to put some fluffy clouds on it, we can do that now. If you haven't got any, you can just hang it up like that, which is quite cool. But if you have got some cotton wool or some toy stuffing, just take a little bit. We're going to blob a little bit of glue along the bottom. Doesn't have to be too neat and tidy because you are going to just put your stuff in randomly on top of the glue. And that'll set, and there you have a rainbow poking through the clouds. You might want to show the red off. I've covered the red up there, that was silly, but never mind. You can adapt it. Enjoy!